Is barley tea good for you? Or is it just another trendy drink? Today, we'll explore the intriguing world of barley tea, its origins, and its potential health benefits. As more people search for healthier beverage options, it's important to know whether barley tea is a good addition to your diet. With so many varieties of tea available, it can be overwhelming to make an informed decision. But what sets barley tea apart from other herbal teas? Is it the unique flavor, the potential health benefits, or something else entirely? One thing is for sure, barley tea has gained popularity recently, and it's time to dig deeper. With its nutty flavor and roasted aroma, barley tea has won over many fans. But let's separate fact from fiction and uncover the truth behind its health benefits. Barley tea, also known as mujicha, has been a staple in Asian cultures for centuries. Made by roasting barley grain, it has a distinct taste and aroma. While it's gained global popularity, it remains relatively unknown in the West. So, what makes barley tea a potentially healthy drink option? Does it contain unique nutrients or antioxidants that set it apart from other teas? At a glance, barley tea seems like a nutritious choice. It's high in antioxidants, which can help protect against cell damage and reduce inflammation in the body. It's also a good source of fiber, which supports digestion and may help lower cholesterol levels. Additionally, barley tea contains essential vitamins and minerals, like potassium, magnesium, and manganese. One significant advantage of barley tea is its ability to aid hydration. Unlike caffeinated drinks, barley tea is caffeine-free, making it a great option for those sensitive to caffeine. It's also rich in electrolytes, which help regulate the body's fluid balance, making it an excellent drink for athletes or anyone engaging in high-intensity physical activities. So, what are the real health benefits of barley tea? Studies suggest that it may help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. The antioxidants in barley tea can also play a role in protecting against certain cancers, like colon and breast cancer. Additionally, barley tea may benefit cognitive health, potentially reducing the risk of age-related diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. However, while barley tea is a healthy drink, some myths need debunking. For instance, some believe it aids in weight loss, but there's limited scientific evidence to support this claim. And it's worth noting that barley tea may not be suitable for everyone, particularly for those with gluten intolerance or celiac disease. In summary, barley tea can be a refreshing and healthy option, but it's essential to consider your personal health needs. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our next video on herbal teas and leave your thoughts in the comments below.